She's excel. The precision cast machine and a graphene treated magnesium connects out the piston through. The working frequency band without showing any sign of midrange resonances. A titanium voice coil former with a long copper winding for excellent voice transfer. Transient sound reproduction and large linear excursion. A unique radial reinforced rubber surround reduces radial resonances and prevents surround breakup at large excursions. This combination results in very low mechanical damping for better clarity and brings out the micro details in the music. And optimized magnet system with precisely fitted copper parts for excellent linearity, high power handling and low distortion. The extremely steady and stable injection molded metal gasket keeps the critical components in perfect alignment. Large windows in the gasket both above and below the spider reduce sound reflection. Airflow noise and cavity resonance to a minimum. If you liked my video, please remember to subscribe, press like and share. Thank you. 如果喜欢我的影片的话，请记得订阅、按赞、分享。